Hey there! Today I have a FASHOM to unbox. So if you're not familiar with FASHOM, it's another one of those online styling services, and it's actually been a while since I've done FASHOM. It's not a subscription box, so you just request a box when you want one. But if you're not familiar with FASHOM, I'll put some information in the description box below along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. I'll also put a card up above to my one of my earlier FASHOM videos. And just in a nutshell, it does work very similar to Stitch Fix and those others. You have a prepaid styling fee, and theirs is $15, but when you sign up for FASHOM, your first styling fee is waived. So what's different is they'll send you a preview of 7 items, and from that preview you get to select 5 items for them to send to you. And then you have 3 days once you receive it to try it on and see what you want to keep and then check out online. And you get 25% off if you keep 3 to 4 items, and you get 30% off if you keep all 5. But anyway, that's how FASHOM works, and let's go ahead and see what I got this month. Okay, so FASHOM always comes in this very pretty purple box, and here's what my box looks like inside. So you get a packet of information that says, "Hello, beautiful." It's very positive. You have a prepaid mailer to send your items back, and it is USPS. Okay, and here is a peek at my bundle. I think even though you get a preview, so it's not like a surprise, it's still different when you actually receive the items and try everything on. So I always think that sometimes things look nicer on the model than me, and I guess vice versa. Not as often though. Wait, almost forgot to go over my note. Okay, so with FASHOM, you get an invoice with a short note, and my stylist is Morgan. And she has been my stylist from the start with FASHOM. And there's even a little card with a handwritten note. It says, "Hi Tisha, your new FASHOM box has arrived. Something pieces I am sure you will love." Okay, I think it says something. And yeah, and then she says, okay, my February FASHOM box it's March, but then that's okay. It was supposed to be in February. It's finally arrived. Yeah, so she says, "I will find some chic stylists and figure flattering," and that's key. FASHOM exclusives. Oh, so now FASHOM, you know, they haven't been around that long. They are a new company, but I noticed they are having more FASHOM exclusive brands, so that's nice. Okay, so sounds promising, and we'll go over the invoice at the end. Okay. This is going to be rough to edit. Yeah, I apologize. I know I have really slowed down in my videos. One thing I've noticed, and I've been doing this for over 2 years, it's really fun to film these videos, but the editing is like, sometimes it can be very tedious and painful, so I've been getting slower and slower in doing my editing, and that is part of the backlog. And also, we're renovating our house, just the master bath, but the house is kind of a mess, and I've got my clothes, I had to move it out of the closet, so I've got it in various places, which makes it a little harder to coordinate and style things. So yeah, and then what I'm thinking too is that today, since we've got all this construction going on, we're gonna move the try-on to outdoors in the front yard. So yeah, something different. All right. Okay, so anyway, first item in my box is this blouse, or shirt, I guess it's a button front shirt. And this is by Gilli, size medium. Looks in the front, very basic, but in the back it's got like a slit. So yeah, you need something underneath. Okay, and this is the Gilli button up split back top, size medium, and it's $45. I do like the brand Gilli. This is something kind of different. I don't know, it's not really my style, but black is a very kind of a basic, classic color or non-color. So we'll see. I'll try it. This was something like when my stylist Morgan sent my preview, there were a couple items that she kind of highlighted. So that was one of them. All right, next. Okay, I have this top. And this is a mixed media top. It looks like it's got this kind of like knit material on the sleeves, and like it's a polyester in the body part, and it has a border. And this is by Les Amis. It's a mixed media print top, size medium in the color olive, and it's $39. So $39, it's not bad. This is actually really cute. I can picture wearing this with just jeans, or maybe even white jeans. Yeah, cute. Okay, next. Okay, this is also by Leopard. This is pretty. It's kind of a nice blush color. It's also like a kind of a tunic length. And this is the Leopard striped floral top in medium in the color blush, and it's $41. It does have these unfortunate sleeves here, the tie. I mean, it's okay. I think these you could just knot it really tightly so it won't come out. But what I don't like about these kind of sleeves sometimes is if you're gonna wear like a cardigan or something, they'll just kind of, you'll have this unfortunate bump. It does work though with like a denim jacket, so we'll see. Cute. Okay, next. Okay, I think this was another highlighted item from her. I have this top. It's a very pretty red. And let's see, it is also by Leopard. It's a Nancy ruffled neck detail top, size medium, in the color red, and it's $45. So it has, yeah, a ruffle in the front. It has a button, can you see it? Button closure in the back, keyhole, I guess. And it has kind of very flouncy, with the elastic on the end, sleeves. Different. We'll see. I got a lot of red lately, and I kind of like red. Okay, and lastly, this was, I think, another highlighted. I think she highlighted 3 items. So I just chose them. I have this dress. Here it is. Very pretty. Kind of looks young though. I don't know. Okay, this is from Gilli. It's the leopard print wrap dress with ruffles, size medium in the color jewel green, and it's $56. So yeah, you'll see it does have kind of a very subtle, can you see it? Leopard print. But it doesn't scream leopard to me, so I think it's subtle. The only problem, it's a wrap. Let's see if it's, oh, it's a true wrap. That's not a good thing for me. I do not like true wraps. I like faux wraps because faux wraps are, it's more secure somehow. The true wrap, when the wind blows, you might be in trouble. And it's more of a polyester crepe material. The skirt is lined, so that's nice. So we'll see. This is actually not really, to me, a work dress. I think this is more like a going out to dinner dress. It's a party dress, yeah? Okay, but I don't really go to parties that much. Unfortunately, I don't get invited to them. Okay, so that's everything I got in this month's fashion box. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and see how it looks. Okay, so here we are outside. I'm not sure. Lighting is bad, it's windy, but we'll try to see if we can make this work. And yeah, and I wasn't able to get like the whole outfit in just because I have a grill here, and then you can see my neighbors, so I don't want that in there. So let's just go with it. And yes, it's windy. Okay, so this is the first top, and you know, it's very nice. It's basic. Whoa, it's blowing. It has this big slit in the back. But I mean, yeah, I can actually picture myself wearing this. I think it's nice for like to go to work. It is very basic. I mean, I could also wear I have just with some regular dark wash jeans, but you could also wear it with white jeans, and I think it would look pretty nice too. So yeah, just a nice basic, and believe it or not, I don't have a lot of black shirts in my wardrobe currently. So not bad. And hopefully we won't have people walking by wondering why I'm talking to myself. Okay, and here is top number 2. And yeah, this one is actually pretty cute. It's kind of basic. I mean, I don't think it's anything like super special, but it's very wearable. I mean, it's a nice casual top, and you can hear basketball in the background. But I do like it. I mean, I'm definitely considering this one. I mean, it actually might also be something. Sometimes what I do is like I'll give some things to my mom, and I think she could actually make use of this too. But yeah, this is nice. I think it's definitely an easy care, easy to wear top. Okay, now here is the pink floral and stripe top. And it's very long in the back. It is actually pretty cute. I don't know about the sleeves, but I like the print, and I like, you know, the color. Blush is one of my favorite colors. I don't know how I feel about this big long, how long it is in the back. I think for me being so short, it's hard, and I think it throws the proportions off. But I get that, you know, this is something I guess you could wear with leggings because it has this little tail in the back that covers your backside. But yeah, for me, I think this is probably gonna go back. But it is a nice top. Okay, now there's an airplane. Yeah. Anyway, okay, so this is the red top. And it is, you know, extremely voluminous. So I decided to try tucking it into some skinny jeans. And actually, I think that looks pretty good, tucked in. But yeah, there's a lot of volume going on with this top, with the sleeves. And it's just like, see how it's all kind of gathered in the front? So there's a lot of fabric. But I love this color, and I know it's washed out because I'm filming this at 10:21 in the morning. So the lighting is probably not good because it's too bright. But yeah, I have to work with what I've got. But yeah, what do you guys think? I kind of like this top. I think it's different and cute. And I'll show you what it looks like untucked. And here it is. And as you can see, yeah, I don't think it looks as nice as it did tucked in, but you be the judge. Okay. Okay, so here is the dress. And you know, it is really cute. It's nice. It's very short, and the front could open up at any second. So I think this dress is a wardrobe malfunction just ready to happen. So ooh, so I think it's going back, but I'll just show it to you in case anybody is interested. It is cute. There's like this little ruffle in the front, and the material is pretty. I think it's too young for me. Maybe one of my daughters. But yeah, I mean, pretty, but just not for me, I think. Okay, so and we're back inside. I'm not sure how that video is going to come out outside, just because I am not a professional photographer. I realized afterwards that I probably should have changed the, is it ISO or whatever the exposure thing is, because it's going to be all flooded. So sorry about that. As far as the clothes, you know, honestly, I wasn't really blown away with anything I got, unfortunately, this time. I have had some fashion boxes that I really liked. This one, I would say my favorite item of the box was this red blouse. It's kind of special, I thought. I do like red, and I thought this was a nice piece. And this is $45. I mean, it's not like necessarily cheap, but of course, if you can find at least 3 items, you can get 25% off. And if you keep the whole box, you get 30% off. So yeah, so that was nice. I was just okay on this black top. I don't have a black top like this, so you know, something to consider if I want to try to get 3 items. And this one was $45. And then I kind of like this green top. I don't know, I didn't think it was anything like super special, but I mean, it was definitely wearable. And this green top is a size medium, and it was $39. And this is actually something I would consider maybe gifting to my mother. So yeah, and then I could get 3. Definitely no on this dress, even though it was nice, but just maybe not for me. And this was $56. This Les Amis striped floral top, you know, I think I have a similar top with this style from Golden Tote. It was a different print though, but it was same brand, same style. And it is cute, but I just didn't care for like the sleeves and the fact that it was so much longer in the back. So this is probably a no too. The total overall for this box was $226 prior to discount. If I were to keep all 5, which I'm not going to, there would be a 30% off discount, and that would bring your total for the entire box of 5 items down to $158.20. That, you know, averages a little bit more than $30 per item. Probably will just be keeping maybe 3 items at the most, or possibly, if I don't go for 3, I'll probably just keep the red top because that was my favorite of the box. But anyway, let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Have you tried FASHOM, and what are your thoughts on the service? I mean, overall, I do enjoy the service. I usually get a lot of tops and dresses from them. I haven't gotten too many pants though, but that's fine. I can always use more tops, and I love dresses, so that's always good. Okay, but that's all I have for today's video, and now I'm going to call one of my 2 furry companions who are there and there to help me say goodbye. Okay, who wants to say goodbye? Kaya? Sammy? Which of you? Okay, hold on. Okay, not sponsored, not a commercial for pepperoni, but I was just at Sam's Club and I saw this pepperoni, and I think this is from Walmart or Sam's Club. It's really big though. So this will last us a long time, and I don't think we've tried pepperoni before. And it says it's prime rib flavor, made with real steak. Who doesn't like prime rib? And it says it's made in the USA. Wow. I know, it's such a big bag. Here we go. Pure excitement here. Yeah, we haven't done bark box for a while. Oh, look how big this stick is. This is huge. Okay, we're gonna just put that there for now. I'm gonna break this in 2. Ooh. It smells like beef jerky. It actually smells pretty good. Okay, but anyway, that's all I have for today's video. One for Sammy. It's probably too big. I should have broken it in maybe quarters. And one for Kaya. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.